Hey guys, I don't know if you can see me yet or not, but doing a little something I hadn't done in a long time. Chasing some ducks. Just doing it in a little bit different way. So it's been 15 years or longer since I've duck hunted. Used to duck hunt a lot. I put in a few pictures right in here. Things have changed a lot over the years, but I don't know. I got to talking to some of my buddies that still do some duck hunting and got to thinking about it and thought, hey, you know, let's check this thing out again. So I got to thinking about it, and I got to thinking about how much things have changed. So I thought I would just come down today and just kind of do some scouting, kind of look around a little, kind of see what you know, where the hunting pressure is now compared to when I used to hunt. And I catch myself just going back and comparing, you know, back in the day, just life in general. Life's changed a lot. Life's been good, been blessed. it's changed just a little bit. So that's their check station now. Kind of crazy. I wonder if I could find any of my old pictures from what our check station looked like when I had to work here. That's crazy. This beautiful area has unfortunately been closed to any camping or any motor vehicle. You can't bring your truck back here. You're 100 yards off the road, so you got to lug all your camping gear in here to camp because people leave crap like this. I mean, I can't blame TVA for shutting it down. I mean, why? And some of those places over there are much worse. Much worse. Alright, so I left the house this morning, going to look around, reacquaint myself with the duck hunting scene, because I haven't duck hunted in about 15 years, 14, 15 years. So I thought I'd go look around a little bit, go to some of my old duck hunting places and check things out. I remember 15 years ago telling Shannon that I was going to quit duck hunting because I was sick of seeing more idiots than I was ducks. I saw very, very few ducks today, and there's still a lot of people out there duck hunting that I'm not going to call them idiots, but seeing how some of these blinds and things were built, but anyway, so yeah, I'm still wanting to do some duck hunting. I realize that it's going to be much the same as it was, 15 years ago, except that actually now I'm pretty sure there's even less ducks. Did not see many ducks at all. If you enjoyed this episode, consider subscribing so you can join us on the rest of our crazy adventures. Remember to get out and find your own adventure, because even bad adventures make great stories. Thanks for tagging along with us today, guys.